Hey friends, welcome to my channel Explore the World Dilse. Today I'll show you the best places to visit in Germany and please watch the full video. This place definitely amazes you. So let's start. Germany is the history, culture and natural beauty perhaps best describe the essence of vacationing in Germany with its many historic cities and small towns along with abundance of forest and mountains. Visitors are spoiled for choice when it's become choosing a unique places to visit. Those wanting to sightsee or experience the arts should head to the metropolitan areas such as Munich, Frankfurt, or Hamburg. For those looking for recreational activities, consider a visit to places such as Bavarian Alps, the Black Forest, or the Rhine Valley. Lovely old cathedrals and grand palaces are everywhere, and in the smaller towns and villages, some with their original medieval old towns still intact. Many centuries old traditions, including a traditional Christmas markets, festivals, and fairs, continue to the day. At the cultural heart of Germany is the capital Berlin, home to many fine museums and galleries, while nature lovers will find a world of possibilities in Germany. Great outdoors. For ideas to help plan your travels, please watch the full video of Germany. The first one is the Black Forest. The beautiful Forest, when with its dark, densely wooded hills, is one of the most visited unplanned regions in all of Europe, situated in the southwestern corner of Germany and extending 160 kilometers from Fosen in the north to Waldshut on the High Rhine. In the south, it is a hiker's heaven. On the west side, it descends steeply to the Rhine, crossed by lush valleys, while on the east, it slopes more gently down to the upper Neckar and Danube valleys. Popular spots include Germany's oldest ski area at Todtnau, the magnificent spa facilities of Baden-Baden, and the attractive resort of Bad Liebenzell. Other highlights include the spectacular Black Forest Railway centered on Triberg with its famous falls, and Triberg itself, home to the Black Forest Open Air Museum. The best way to catch them all, grab a map of the Black Forest panoramic route, a 70-kilometer driving tour that takes in the very best views over the region along with its top historic attraction including stunning castles and numerous medieval towns and villages. The second one is the ultimate fairy tale castle, the quaint old town of Fusen, situated between the Amargio and Alps, and a popular alpine resort and winter sports center, is a good base from which to explore nearby castle, one of Europe's most famous and picturesque royal castles. King Ludwig of Bavaria built this many towered and battlement covered fantasy fortress, the inspiration of Walt Disney's famous theme park castles from 1869-86. Guided tours of the Simptup's interior, taking in the throne room, the singers' hall, and some of the country's most spectacular views. Also, let me know your favorite place in Germany. King's Lake. The lovely Bavarian lake of Kongsee is one of the great beauty spots of the region of Germany, referred to as Gardner Land also known as the King's Lake. This area near Salzburg is a hiking and biking paradise thanks to its vast network of trails. One of the most popular things to do is follow the attractive footpath located along the east side of the Kongzi to the Miller-Winkel, also known as Painter's Corner. It's notable for its superb views over the lake and the surrounding mountains. Another equally attractive sightseeing option is taking a boat trip to the 17th century pilgrimage chapel of Saint Bartholomew at the south end of the lake, and to walk from here to the Berchtesgaden garden at the end of Duschik. Alpenstrasse is perhaps the best known tourist town and one of the most popular mountain resorts in the Bavarian Alps. Also of note here is Berchtesgaden National Park. This place of outstanding natural beauty has since 1990 has been designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The fourth one is Rhine Valley. The Rhine is not only Europe's most important waterway, it's also the most beautiful with a total length of 1,320 kilometers. This magnificent river stretches from Switzerland through Germany all the way to the Netherlands. While there are many places in Germany to enjoy this majestic river, the lovely upper middle Rhine Valley section, designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is probably the most popular spot for tourists to visit. Here, this often dramatic 65-kilometer stretch of river boasts more than 40 castles and some 60 picturesque Midvale towns, all just waiting to be explored either by river cruise or by car. Looking for a great place to begin your Rhine Valley adventure, this historic town of Bingen, where the river cuts through a deep gorge before entering the Bakar Valley, is a good place to start. If you like this video, then don't forget to share this video to your family and friends. The last one is Colonial Cathedral, the towering Colonial Cathedral. The Cathedral of Saint Peter and Saint Mary is located on the bank of the Rhine and is undoubtedly Cologne most impressive landmark. This masterpiece of high Gothic architecture, one of the largest cathedrals in Europe, was begun in 1248 and was the most ambitious building project of the Middle Ages. As imposing as its facade, its magnificent interior covers an area of 6,166 square meters and boasts 56 huge pillars above the high altar of the reliquary of the three kings, a 12th century work of art in gold that was designed by Nicholas of Baden to house the relics of the three kings brought here from Milan. Other highlights include the panoramic views from the South Towers, the 12th and 13th century stained glass in the Three Kings Chapel, and the treasury with its many precious objects, all of which survive largely intact after World War II. For some of the best vistas over the city and river, climb the 533 steps to the viewing platform in the South Tower. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like the video, then please do subscribe, like, comment, share to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notification for new videos.